Let's draw a monster. Take a piece of paper. Follow the clues. Are you ready?
Draw a big circle in the middle of your page, for the head. Inside the circle, at the top, draw 3 small eyes. Above each eye, draw 1 eyebrow. Make them in a zigzag shape. Under the eyes, in the center, draw a small triangle nose. In the middle of the face, draw a big curved smile. Inside the smile, draw 5 square teeth. Inside the smile, below the teeth, draw 1 long tongue. On each side of the head, draw 2 ears, 1 round and 1 star-shaped. Below the head, draw a long, thick neck. Draw a big rectangle body, under the neck. Draw 6 arms, 3 on the left and 2 on the right. Draw 6 fingers on each hand. Below the body, draw 2 legs, long and thin. In the middle of each leg, draw a small circle, for the knee. Draw 2 big flat feet, at the bottom of the legs. Draw 5 tiny toes, on each foot. At the top of the head, draw curly hair, sticking up. In the middle of the body, draw a belly button, make it heart-shaped. Draw a tail, behind the monster. Color the way you like. Give a name to your monster.
Does your monster look anything like these ones? What's the same? What's different?